Just imagine this. It's just plain water, but if you add one small, simple ingredient, it can turn into a powerful natural remedy that may have a deep impact on your body. It can help support healthy blood sugar levels, aid in weight loss, improve your skin's glow, and even reduce feelings of weakness and fatigue. And the best part? It's not expensive or hard to find. It's simply whole coriander seeds. The method is incredibly easy. Take 1 glass of water, add 1 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds, and let it soak overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. Many people wake up feeling heavy, bloated, or dealing with gas, digestive discomfort, or even puffiness in the face, and some may also notice elevated blood sugar levels. These are often signs that your body is holding onto toxins, which in Ayurveda is known as ama. Coriander seeds naturally contain compounds like linalool that help reduce inflammation, along with flavonoids that fight harmful substances in the body, while nutrients like iron, magnesium, and vitamin C help boost energy, improve blood health, and strengthen your immune system. When the seeds soak overnight, all these beneficial properties infuse into the water, turning a simple drink into something that gently cleanses your body from within and supports better overall health. And when you drink this water first thing in the morning, then all its beneficial compounds are directly absorbed into your body and begin to show effects more easily. Several studies also suggest that regular consumption of coriander may help support better blood sugar control. Now let's talk about what this water actually does inside your body, because this part is the most important. And once you understand its benefits, you'll be able to use it the right way. So without any delay, let's dive into the full details. First benefit, cleanses the stomach. The very first and most fundamental benefit of coriander water is that it helps cleanse your digestive system and improve digestion. And by cleansing, we don't just mean relieving constipation or minor stomach issues, but also helping remove built-up waste and toxins from the body that often lead to gas, bloating, and a heavy feeling in the stomach. When you drink coriander water on an empty stomach, the natural enzymes, flavonoids, and beneficial compounds in it activate your digestive system, helping it work more efficiently. This allows food to break down into smaller particles so nutrients can be absorbed more effectively. As a result, that heavy, uncomfortable feeling in your stomach gradually goes away, and you start your day feeling lighter, more comfortable, and refreshed. If you experience gas, bloating, or constipation throughout the day, coriander water helps reduce all these issues by cleansing your system from within. When digestion improves, not only are nutrients from your food absorbed more effectively, but your metabolism also starts functioning better, which helps keep your weight under control and increases your overall energy, strength, and stamina. From an Ayurvedic perspective, it helps boost your body's natural digestive power, often referred to as digestive fire. With regular use, it gradually reduces bloating, gas, heaviness, and indigestion while improving overall gut health. Its effects are not limited to the stomach. It also improves your overall health, enhances your skin's glow, strengthens your immune system, and boosts your energy levels. That's why drinking coriander water on an empty stomach is a highly beneficial, natural, and safe remedy that helps cleanse your gut, making it lighter, healthier, and stronger from within. Second benefit, stabilizes blood sugar. Another major benefit of coriander water is that it helps keep blood sugar levels more stable, which is especially helpful for people who are pre-diabetic or those who experience occasional spikes in blood sugar. Coriander seeds contain natural, powerful compounds that signal the pancreas to produce the right amount of insulin. When insulin is produced properly and its effectiveness, known as insulin sensitivity, improves, blood sugar naturally begins to stay under control. This means that sugar spikes after meals are reduced and fasting blood sugar levels remain more stable. For people who are pre-diabetic, this can become a simple yet powerful daily habit that not only helps manage blood sugar, but also improves overall metabolism. Drinking coriander water every morning on an empty stomach supports better pancreatic function and insulin performance, which may also help lower the risk of developing diabetes over time. It is a natural and safe approach that works from within your body without relying on chemicals or medications, and when used consistently and in balance, it can offer long-term health benefits. So, if you are pre-diabetic or looking for a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, coriander water can be a very effective, safe, and beneficial addition to your routine. Third benefit, balances hormones in women. Now let's talk about the third benefit, which is especially important for women. One of the biggest factors in women's health is hormonal balance, because when hormones are not functioning properly, it can lead to irregular periods and conditions like PCOS and PCOD, along with symptoms such as severe cramps, mood swings, fatigue, and low energy. Coriander seeds contain natural compounds, including flavonoids and linalool, that help regulate hormones more effectively. These compounds support the balance of estrogen and progesterone, which are essential for a healthy reproductive system. If you are dealing with PCOS or PCOD, you may experience irregular cycles, painful periods, weight gain, or hormonal acne. In such cases, drinking coriander water daily on an empty stomach can help reduce these symptoms naturally. It not only helps ease menstrual discomfort, but also supports overall hormonal balance, which in turn improves digestion, energy levels, and overall vitality, helping you feel more active and stronger throughout the day. Regular use can gradually reduce mood swings, fatigue, and digestive issues, since hormones and digestion are closely connected. That's why, for women, this drink is a natural, safe, and effective way to maintain hormonal balance and support overall health in a gentle and sustainable way. Fourth benefit, cleanses and strengthens the liver. Another major benefit of coriander water is for your liver, which is one of the most important filtering systems in your body. Every day, your liver works to remove toxins and unnecessary substances, but over time, it can become weak and may not function as efficiently as it should. As a result, digestion slows down, fatigue and inflammation increase, your skin may start to look dull, and your energy levels begin to drop. Drinking coriander water regularly helps support the liver's natural cleansing process and improves its strength and function. It helps flush out built-up toxins from the liver and allows it to work more effectively. When your liver is clean and healthy, your digestion improves, nutrients are absorbed more efficiently, and your skin starts to regain its natural glow. At the same time, fatigue and weakness gradually decrease, and you begin to feel more energetic and refreshed. In simple terms, a tiny coriander seed holds powerful properties that positively affect your entire body. It improves digestion, supports your skin and immune system, and helps keep your body clean and healthy from within. Drinking coriander water daily is not only beneficial for your liver, but also a powerful natural way to maintain overall health and strength. Fifth benefit, reduces water retention in the body. Now let's talk about the fifth benefit, which is extremely important and has a direct impact on your body and weight, reducing excess water retention. Many people wake up in the morning with a puffy face, swelling under the eyes, or a heavy feeling in the body, and this often happens because excess water is retained in the body. This not only makes your face and body look swollen, but can also gradually contribute to weight gain. Coriander water is very helpful in flushing out this excess water, and as your body releases it, puffiness in the face and under the eyes reduces, and over time, your weight may also start to decrease. Preparing this drink is very simple. Take 1 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds, add them to a clean glass with about 300 ml or 1.5 cups of water, and let it soak overnight. In the morning, strain the water, add a pinch of rock salt and the juice of half a lemon, and drink it on an empty stomach. You can also chew the soaked seeds, as this may enhance the benefits even more. Use this drink consistently for 21 days, then take a 7-day break and start again. Within about 10 days, you may begin to notice positive changes, reduced puffiness, a lighter feeling in your body, and improved energy levels. This drink is generally safe, but if you are allergic to coriander, avoid it. If you are taking medication for diabetes, consult your doctor before using it. It is also recommended to avoid it during the first trimester of pregnancy, and if you have kidney-related issues, you should seek medical advice before use. Coriander water is not just a simple health remedy, it's a natural way to balance and refresh your body from within. With consistent use, it helps cleanse your system, improve digestion, balance hormones, and reduce the effects of stress. It also helps maintain proper fluid balance in your body, which keeps your skin glowing, your hair healthy, and makes weight management easier while reducing fatigue and weakness. Drinking it daily supports smooth digestion, improves liver and kidney function, and helps you stay energized and focused throughout the day. In addition, coriander water acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting your body from harmful free radicals, strengthening your immune system, and helping you stay away from illness. This remedy is simple, affordable, and completely natural. And by making it a part of your daily routine, you can take your health, energy, and internal balance to the next level.